handle the COVID-19 pandemic are the top 3 reasons why Kenyans feel that the country is heading in the wrong direction. At least 65% of Kenyans feel the country is heading in the wrong direction, citing the poor state of the economy, poor governance, and the COVID-19 pandemic, as Ruth Mulandi now reports.
For the past 13 months since the COVID-19 pandemic hit the country, life for many Kenyans changed for the worst. Businesses were forced to shut down. Others received pay cuts, as some were forced with the ugly reality of unemployment. With the tough times now being faced, 65% of Kenyans feel that the country is heading in the wrong direction. In a research done by Infotrak research firm, from a sample size of 1,000 respondents conducted between 13th to 16th March 2021, showed that 34% attribute the high cost of living, unemployment, the COVID-19 pandemic, bad politics and rampant corruption at 34%, 17%, 11%, 8% and 7% respectively as the top 5 reasons why the country wasn't doing well. 58% of Kenyans say the economy was the biggest indication of the country's poor score, with poor governance following at 15%.
From what we are seeing from these poll findings, that it's Kenyans' hope that government would actually rethink tax relief measures, both on an individual basis and also for the businesses in the country, so that they can actually, get on with doing business and spurring economic growth and creating employment.
The COVID-19 pandemic and its continuous third wave in the country was also a key concern for Kenyans. Last year, at a time like this, majority of Kenyans at 64% felt that the infections were both a personal health and a personal finance issue, whereas now viewed it is more of a personal financial problem, as at 62% felt the pinch brought by the pandemic. This pinch further highlighting that 77% of Kenyans' livelihoods had been affected. Of those, 32% say their business had been adversely affected. A further 28% said they no longer have an income, as they had lost their jobs entirely when the country was placed under shutdown. 17% said their salaries had been reduced, and 6% were unable to cater for their basic needs. The research, done right before President Uhuru Kenyatta made his 15th State of the Nation address on the COVID-19 situation in the country, revealed that 65% of Kenyans supported the extension of the nationwide curfew for an additional 60 days. A large number of 88% of the sample size supported the ban on public gatherings, with 82% requesting the health and transport ministries to revise their protocols for the public transport sector. It is on that same breath that the J Networks Group, a group of informal employment sector representatives, are calling on the government to take seriously the cries of ordinary Kenyans and open up the economy, further urging the government to allow private sectors that can afford to buy vaccines of their choice to do so and vaccinate their workers for businesses to resume, saying flattening the COVID-19 curve is uncertain. Ruth Mulandi, TV 47.
Well, it seems